Hello. Magandang araw po. Dito po ako ngayon on the way to Mindoro. And I hope naririnig niyo po ako clearly. Medyo malakas yung hangin. Okay, but again, it's so beautiful, no? Kung titignan niyo po, it's a great weather to travel by sea, no? Napakaganda ng view. And it's basically a very beautiful creation. Titignan niyo po ito, nakikita ko ngayon, marirealize natin how wonderful our Creator is. Sobrang galing niya po. And parang lahat ng ginawa niya is so good for us, no? Exactly what every human being needs, no? Napakaganda po, and it's very refreshing. Walang stress, no? Okay, so as I travel, going to Mindoro now, meron po akong wisdom na pumasok sa isip ko ngayon, which is gusto ko po i-share sa inyo. It's all about the creation process. Okay, so hindi po ba we all have declared that we want to be successful. Lahat naman po tayo, mula pa nung bata hanggang pagtanda, lahat tayo, we are all after this word. We want to succeed. We want to at least get what we want in life. Okay, so na-realize ko po, sa paggaganda-gandang creation ng Diyos, meron pong word na parang tumatak sa akin. O tanong, bakit po ang Diyos, it took Him 6 days to create this beautiful world? Bakit po 6 na araw niyang ginawa? Bakit hindi po ba ginawa niya ng one click? Hindi po ba kaya naman niya? Bakit 6? Tapos on the 7th day, He said He rested. Yan po, pinag-isipan ko, bakit 6 days pa? Bakit on the first day, ganito ginawa niya? Bakit on the second day, ganito ginawa niya? On the third day, ganito, and so on and so forth. Bakit po ba hindi ginawa ng Diyos na on the first second, okay, which is kaya niya, ginawa niya lahat? Then He rested. Okay, so as I ponder, as I journey to this word success, na-realize ko po na that is what we call the creation process. Okay, so ganun po pala talaga. At ipinakita po sa atin. Okay, so for those who can understand what I'm saying, congratulations. Pero pag hindi nyo po mag-gets, then wala pa ho. Hindi pa po natin pa. There is a creation process for everything. Okay, so I remember my life, no, when I was younger. Sabi ko, I want to succeed, no. So may makita ko parang maganda opportunity. One step, second step, third step. Sabi ko, ba't ganun? Wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin ako successful. Then I stop. Lipat na naman sa panibagong opportunity. One step, second step, third step. After nagkaroon ng mga challenges, failures, sabi ko, ba't ganun? Wala pa rin. Then I stop. I look for another one. And then I start questioning God. God, ba't ganito? Ba't di mo ko sinusuportahan? Bakit di mo ko tinutulungan? Sabi mo, ibibigay mo sa akin yung success. Sabi mo, mahal mo ako, etc. Then I stop. And then I realized, even God, pinakita niya sa atin na there is a process for everything. So it's not one click. Pinakita niya na if you want something, you should pay the price of the process or the procedure. Dapat step by step. And do not stop. Do not stop. Do not stop. Because a time will come that you will get what you want. At ito po pinakamaganda. There will be a time that you will rest. On the 7th day, God rested. Okay, so yun po. Darating po sa panahon natin, malalaman mo na you are very successful. Then you can rest and still, kahit nagpapahinga ka, umaani ka ng maraming buhay. Yun po pinakamaganda. Dahil pinakita rin po ng Diyos, on the 7th day, He rested. And in-enjoy na lang niya yung ginawa niya. Ganon din po tayo. So if you're doing something now and you felt like parang walang nangyayari, parang walang prutas, parang walang ani, ang masasabi ko lang po sa inyo, just continue, go on. Because you're on the 3rd day probably, you're on the 4th day, and you're not yet done. Malalaman mo na you're already there when you start feeling like you want to rest. Umani ka, May kinabukasan, you're still resting, umaani ka pa rin. Sa sumunod na mga araw, you're still resting and you're still harvesting. Ganun po ang process ng success. So there is a creation process. So maraming salamat po sa pakikinig at panonood. Yung po gusto kong i-share sa inyo. There is a process for creating success. Maraming salamat po. Pasensya na po sa mga background po. Sa mga batang maingay. So God bless everybody.